All right, so this is our new project here. Found this really good deal on this M Sport bumper. The lady that actually sold it, she actually got rid of it because of some scratches. I'm gonna see if I can tilt this up here. So when she purchased her 550, I'm not sure if that's gonna show up really well. I don't have good lighting here, but she did not like the scratches on the bottom of this bumper. And as you can see here, I'm not sure if that's coming in good, but just your normal scratches that you'll see on curbs and whatnot. That is all the damage that we see on this bumper. Everything else is actually in really good condition. Like I said, she was actually purchasing a 550 M Sport. When she did, she required the dealership to not only give her this bumper back, but replace it and have it painted and everything. And that was part of her purchase. So we got this M Sport bumper. Like I said, just was searching on Facebook Marketplace, picked it up for $100. So can't be mad with that at all. The only thing that we will have to do, of course, we'll have to go ahead and sand it down. That's what we're about to do now is I'm gonna pull it out here, clean it off real good, got some Dawn, get rid of all the dirt and grime because it actually has been sitting in her attic for 2 years. But we're gonna, of course, start sanding everything down. The main thing that we're gonna have to look into doing for this swap is that her model actually had the 360 cameras. So you'll see that additional spot here that for the cameras. Of course, my base model 535 did not have that. So we're going to look at filling those holes before we prime everything and paint it. But yeah, really excited about this. This is actually the LCI M Sport bumper. With my car being a pre-LCI, I looked into it. The only difference is actually where the fog lights are housed. If you see that on the fog lights on the LCI M Sport, they're actually in the middle. When you look at the pre-LCI, they're actually pushed out to the far corners. So we're gonna get started on this now. Okay, there she is, all cleaned up. Guys, I've been inspecting this bumper all over, and again, there's not a single broken tab. Like everything is in really nice condition. So again, just gonna start sanding on it. Probably hit it with either 700 or 800 grit sandpaper. Knock down, of course, the clear coat as well as the just take it down to the base. And then go ahead and start spraying some adhesive primer on it, plastic adhesive on it, to prepare it so that we can at least get a good adhesion of paint. So I got to do a little bit of research here just because I'm trying to remember if we actually have to remove the emblem altogether and then reattach it, or I've never had to do that yet on the bumper, so I'll have to figure that out. I will have to order a center grill for it. Okay guys, so we're going to do a little work on filling these holes. What I've done first is I've cleaned the surface real good. As you can see, we've got a little bit of painter's tape over the hole. Of course, that's what kind of looks through on the backside. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually use a little bit of a plastic bumper repair to fill that hole. Of course, not gonna make it too thick, but hopefully that will actually give us a nice flat spot here. May have to come back over the top, fill in a little bit on the outside just to make sure that it kind of build it up and then sand it back down. So that's what we're gonna do. Of course, this is the actual product we're using, is that JB Weld plastic bonder. So hopefully this will work. It's actually supposed to be used for body panel and gap filler. I've used this before on a bumper and it's worked out really good. So we'll see if it works as a filler for these holes. All right, boys. So we've got ourselves another cold day out here, but we're trying to get some work done on this bumper. As you guys can see, we've got a layer, or our first, or we actually did 2 coats of base down on the bumper, but I've had to do some wet sanding, so I had to go and grab some more paint. But it's coming along pretty good. Actually looking really clean right now. Like I said, just gonna go back over it now with some base, and before we get to our 2K clear. While we're gonna be working on that, might as well went ahead and popped the hood. We're gonna go ahead and pull off the strut bar and some of the other braces there, and get lay some of the blue caliber paint on those as well too. So we're gonna get on that now. All right, just a quick update. We've got the strut bar as well as the 2 other braces done. So the base was laid down, clear was laid down, and now of course we're just gonna have to take off our tape on our strut bar, but that's ready to go. And then we'll jump back on our bumper and see if we can't get that finished up as well. Okay, bro, there's the new M Sport bumper, finally finished paint-wise. Not sure if you can tell. Yeah, it'll probably show up. You can see the orange peel there in the paint. So I want to go ahead and try to knock that orange peel off. If it's showing up, you can kind of see, yeah, you can see it there. So yeah, that's a 2K clear, because of course I just rattle canned it, but it came out looking real nice. It's just the fact that orange peel is pretty overwhelming. So, okay guys, we're making progress on our bumper. So this side here, I'm not sure how good that's showing up, but that one now has been polished. So I actually picked up a nice Meguiar's kit for actually polishing. So this actually has been polished up. Got a little bit of haze on this, so that we kind of clean that up a little bit. So the bumper is definitely looking really good. So we'll keep working on that. And then over here, we've got the freshly painted strut bar and braces now installed on the car. So I think that looks good as well too. All right, we'll get you guys another update once we actually start getting the bumper mounted. Okay, boys, so that is a wrap. We've got the new front bumper on. She's looking mean. I'm really digging it. Still got some things to do here, just kind of some cleanup. But it's only about 30 degrees outside, and it's already dark, so I don't have any pictures of it right now or video of it. We'll see if we can't get you guys some cinematics maybe in the daylight, but that's where we're sitting right now.
It's by accident.
All right, boys, so we're gonna wrap this video up here. I will point out, of course, we still got the F10 back here. I do have the fog light delete covers coming. I just gotta wait for those to come in the mail. But again, gonna wrap this video up so we can get you guys some more mods. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. If you like the content, again, give us a thumbs up, but hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified of new videos coming, and we will see you guys in the next video.